Good morning, friends. I once again welcome you in Mangesh Mathematical Trading. Today is 2nd February 2024, the next day after, it's annual budget. And right now the timing is 27 minutes past 10 in the morning, 10:27. This video is in connection with my earlier video, which was regarding 100% accurate trade with the help of maths, physics, and you can call geography or astronomy. Uh, I would request you first, if you have not seen that video, then go to that video first. The link of that particular video is shared here below in the description because that is a theoretical video. Uh, you know, it's in that video I have explained what is North Pole, what is South Pole, what is equator, what is Tropic of Cancer, and what is Tropic of Capricorn. Now, many of you called me up or they posted a message on my personal Telegram as well as on WhatsApp and requested, sir, kindly brief about the practical use of it in live market. So that is why I'm going to show you now its practical use in live market. This is part two of the same series. This has got everything with mathematics. So if you're not interested in mathematics, I request you not to waste your time. I will not be giving any indicator as such. I don't believe in, say indicator, pure maths. But if you stay for next 10 minutes with you, probably you will get what, even though you are 30 years in this market, remember these words, even though you are 30 years in this market, nobody would have told you, nobody knows precisely that I am going to share with you now. It's absolutely free. Okay. So let's begin how to use uh, that particular maths plus physics plus astronomy in live market. So now let's go on chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty first. Let me take you to charts now. Okay. Now let's take the example of yesterday, that is 1st February, because people say market is very, very volatile, so it tends to defy the rules. वो कोई भी rules नहीं मानता. On a budget day, I want to prove my point on a budget day. Now, before going ahead, let me shed some light on for those especially who haven't seen my last video. So let's go on this particular. See, this is our Earth. This is North Pole. This is South Pole. Somewhere here is equator. And then this portion is called Tropic of Cancer. This portion is of Tropic of Capricorn. We have learned it in our school in geography. So this is what now we are going to draw. Actually, in live market, how you can draw the North Pole, the South Pole, the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn, and its actual use. I need not tell you the use. Once you know how to draw, it's simple. Now, this method works very fine on index only. That means Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, and Sensex. This will not work on options. This will not work on equity. Don't try to use it on them. Okay, there is some other method. But this method at its purest form, which I'm explaining now, will not work on them. There is some other method which I may share sometimes in the future, not today, because the video will be lengthy. Now it will be surprising for you to understand the first 5-minute candle of the day. First 5-minute candle of the day means the candle which starts at 9:15 and which completes at 9:15. 9:19.59. 9:15 पे कैंडल शुरू होती है, 9:19 के बाद बंद होती है. फर्स्ट कैंडल यू हैव टू कंसिडर. And what you need to do, it's simple. First candle high plus 0.2611%. First candle high plus 0.2611%. That will be your North Pole. First candle low minus 0.2611%. That will be your South Pole. Now your North Pole is 100, your South Pole is 0. 100 minus 0, that you calculate North Pole minus South Pole, whatever is the difference, multiply that by 26.11%. Remember this, huh? Difference is to be calculated by 26.11%. Add that in South Pole, you will get Capricorn. Subtract that 26.11% of the difference from North Pole, means from high, you will get the Cancer. I need not tell you this plus this divided by 2 will be equator, which is 50%. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see it in actual. First, let us see how it behaved on the day of budget. Let's see that. Okay. So we are here. If you could see, so this is 9:15 of 1st Feb. You could see it over here. 9:15 of 1st Feb. You see. Now what you need to do, the high is, so this is a 5-minute chart. So this is first candle, 46,173.30. As I told you, 46,173.30 plus 0.2611%. What is the answer? The answer is 46,293.85. So mark that level over here, 46,293.85. Now first candle low minus 0.2611. So 45,919.65 minus 0.2611%, and that will be 45,799.75. See this, see the precision. Now what you will do, this minus this is North Pole, this is South Pole. So 46,293.85 minus 45,799.75. So this difference is 494.1. Now it is to be multiplied by 26.11%, and then the magical figure you get is 129. Now you add 129 into this. So 129 plus 45,799.75, and you get 45,928. 45,928 somewhere over here, that I have not drawn. And then let us draw that also, 45,928.75. 928.75. I will give the same black color. And then the same 129 you will subtract from the top, which is this North Pole, 46,293.85. 46,293.85. It is 46,164.84. Now say this. This was the beginning. This calculation is ready with you at 9:22 or 9:23 in the morning. See, it perfectly went till this level. It never breached below this level. You will have to wait for a few minutes. If the consolidation is taking place, that means buying is taking place. Otherwise, this level will be broken instantly, very fast. And precisely from this level, this went to equator, which is nothing else but this North Pole plus South Pole divided by 2. It went exactly to the equator, again came back, see the beauty, it again took support, again went up. Now this is a higher high pattern that is making. Say this was the high, this was the low. Now this is the high and the low is greater than first low. Then it went, this high, barring this candle, it made a low over here. Then it made this high. Now see, this is a beauty. At the end of this candle, we could foresee the high would be 46,293. And it touched, again took the support and went up. This is, mind you, this is on the most volatile day. This was yesterday, budgetary sessions day. Then common people, they refrain from the market. They don't trade in the market. See this. Now let us come to latest one today, Nifty Bank. So if this is what it is, now let's calculate what can be the possible. So this is the first candle I'm teaching you in live market. So first 5-minute candle, 2nd February, you see the high. And now the high is 46,650.80 plus 0.2611%. That will be 46,772.60. 46,772.60. Okay. So remember that figure, 772.60. Okay. So now we have drawn a level, but here probably you can't see it. Okay. So let's draw it over here. So it will be more clear. 46,772.60. Okay. And then first candle low minus 0.2611%. So first candle low is 46,501.10 minus 0.2611%. That is 46,379.68. 46,379.68. Okay. Now, if I will change the time frame to 1 hour, you will see both the lines. See this. Now, let us first find out the equator, that is 772.60 plus 379.68 divided by 2 is 576.14. 576.14. Let us change the color to blue. 76.14. Let's change the color to blue. Otherwise, there will be confusion which line indicates what. And now we'll take this difference, 772.6 minus 379.68. That is 392.92. Now we'll multiply this by 26.11% and you get 102.59. We'll minus it from 772.60 and the answer is 670. So 46,670 will be a Tropic of Cancer. 46,670. We'll give it black color. And if you will add the difference into low, so which is 102.59 plus low 379.68, it will be 482.27. It will be 482.27. Now let's come back to 5-minute chart. See now. Okay, this was the line of, Tropic of Cancer. It came down, it broke, and now it's fast coming toward line of Capricorn. Simple. Absolutely simple. Followed? If you will wait, this will come down. The calculation is made in Nifty also. You could see this. You could say this, say Nifty. You could say this, say Nifty here. So this was a rough, this is the latest one. This was for today. You just calculate, see this. You just calculate this, and then you will find out this. Okay. Very simple. Now you just see the first candle high. So this is Nifty Bank. Okay, let's see this. So this was just, yeah, this is today. Sorry. See this. This was the first candle. It's high plus, this is North Pole, this is South Pole, this is Tropic of Cancer from your Tropic of Capricorn. Perfect. This is yet to respond that much, but Bank Nifty is very fast. Bank Nifty is soon approaching the levels. You could see it over here, right? See this. So this is how you could forecast the highs and lows of the market from first 5-minute candle. Nobody will tell you this. No one knows this. Now, one more thing. Once this is, suppose once it becomes South Pole, it goes below South Pole, means first 5-minute candle minus 0.2611. This is, if it goes below this, what will be the next target? Simple. The difference between Capricorn and South Pole. That will be, you will, that difference, the same difference which you calculated, you will have to minus it from here. I'll show you that precisely that's what happened yesterday, I suppose. Yeah, see this. So this was yesterday's first candle. This was North Pole, this was South Pole, this was Equator, this was Cancer, this was Capricorn. When it broke below the low, means South Pole, it precisely touched this level. This is nothing but this and this difference, the difference between Capricorn and South Pole. You will have to minus it from South Pole, and that is this. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you this particular formation, or this will help you a lot. See this, it's taking support precisely over here. Yeah, this is, I wanted to share with you. Probably this will help you to a great extent to know what could be the possible high or low, or how the price movement will be in between these 2 points. More elaboration is possible. If you want to learn this further, you can contact me. My mobile number is 91673 54953. What is all this? What is North Pole, South Pole, Capricorn, Equator, Cancer? I have made a detailed video of the same. The link of the previous video you can find in the description of this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.